What's up, hustlers? Welcome back to another Intro to Python series video. Today we're going to be looking at Python functions, and this is going to be essentially the basically what powers any automation you sort of do in the future, because it allows you to reuse pieces of code over and over again, so that you don't have to keep retyping. So a function, or another way that people call this is a method, let me just show you what it is. You say def, you define, and then you give the name of the function. So this one is going to be called print cool stuff, and we're going to give it a parameter x, and we're just going to say for I in x, print x. So let's say my variable is range 55. We could say print cool stuff, my variable. So Python script.py. That's weird. Oh, sorry, xi, not x. There we go. Now let's create a function to do something that's actually useful. So in my directory right now, I don't really have much, right? So let's create 3 files. So we'll say touch file1.txt, touch file2.txt, touch file3.txt. So touch is the Unix command to create files. Now we've got 3 files. I'm going to open them up here, and I'm going to just add some stuff inside the file. So file 1 will just be some numbers. 8. This one will say 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the next one will be a bunch of gibberish on each. Actually, you know what? Let me remove these quotes. That's going to confuse our string when we read the file. So the next one is just going to be gibberish on each line. Okay. And basically, we want to write a function that can open up each of these files and print out each line into the terminal. Right? Very silly kind of function, but in any case, instead of writing 3 times with open and then file 1, file 2, file 3, blah blah blah, you would write a function that does this and then call that function as many times as you need. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll call it file printer, and then this will be file name. So it'll say with open file name as f. Line equals f dot read lines. Okay, and then for line in lines, print line. Okay, and then you could say name. Oops. Standard way of running Python scripts. Name is main. File printer file1.txt, file printer file2.txt, and then file printer file3.txt. So we should start by printing 1 to 8, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the gibberish. So let's try that. Python script.py. Look at that. It's 1, and then it prints. It seems to think that there's a space in between the lines for some reason. That's probably just some formatting or something that I did, but in any case, that's the basic idea behind functions, is when you do operations over and over and over again, you don't want to keep rewriting, so you just make a function that is like a little block of code that remembers how to do what it is you want to do, and that just becomes your algorithm for whatever operation, in this case printing, in a nice formatted way. That's our algorithm. So that's it. Hope you find that useful, and I'll see you in the next video.